Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CDS 1 exam. For question number 71 and 72, there is a common statement, and the statement is consider the following for the next two items that follow. In a pie diagram with radius 7 cm, the central angles of the sectors are in the ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 7 ratio 5 ratio 1. Take pi is equal to 22/7. Question number 71 is if P is the area of the smallest sector and Q is the area of the largest sector, then what is P plus Q equal to? Option A 88/3 square centimeter. Option B 77/3 square centimeter. Option C 149/6 square centimeter, and option D 616/9 square centimeter. And question number 72 is if small p is perimeter of the smallest sector, then what is the value of 9p? Option A 142 centimeter, option B 148 centimeter, and option C 156 centimeter, and option D 221 centimeter. So here it is given that the radius is 7 centimeter, and suppose x be the common ratio of the angles, then the angles are 2x, 3x, 7x, 5x, and x. So in a pie chart, the summation of angle is 360 degrees. So 2x plus 3x plus 7x plus 5x plus x is equal to 360 degree, or 18x is equal to 360, or x is equal to 20. Okay, and area of smallest sector is given by capital P, and smallest sector belong to this angle x. So area of circle is pi r square, and for this angle x, the area will be x by 360 to pi r. That will come out as 77/9. And for the largest sector, the area is given as Q. So largest sector is your 7x angle. So area will be 7 times of this. So it will be 7 into 77/9, or 539/9. So P plus Q will be equal to summation of these two. That will be 616/9 centimeter square. So answer is option D. And question number 72 is about perimeter of the smallest circle. So this is the smallest sector having angle x. So perimeter will be summation of this dimension, and this dimension. And this dimension is uh, 2 pi r is the perimeter of the whole circle. And for that part x, this dimension will be x by 360, because this is x, total angle is 360 for circle. So into 2 into pi into r, and plus we have to find the perimeter of this, plus this length plus this length, both are 7. This is center. Okay, so now we put the value of x as 20 and pi as 22/7. We get P as 149/9, or 9p as 148 centimeters. So answer is option B.